Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we are gonna practice law of attraction. मैं हमेशा इस बारे में बात करती हूँ कि हाउ टू क्रिएट सो देयर आर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो लोग मुझे नहीं जानते, लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ. मेरा नाम निकी बर्नवाल है. आई एम अ लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन कोच एंड अ हीलर. सो हमेशा क्रिएशन, जब भी आप कुछ क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं अपने लाइफ में, तो क्रिएशन दो फेज में होता है. फर्स्ट वॉज टू रिमूव नेगेटिविटी फ्रॉम योर लाइफ. पहले आप हील करते हैं ऑल दोज नेगेटिव ट्रॉमास और नेगेटिव बिलीफ सिस्टम्स और थॉट्स जो आपको है, आपके मन में है अबाउट एनीथिंग दैट यू वांट इन योर लाइफ, राइट? एनीथिंग दैट यू वांट टू क्रिएट इन योर लाइफ. सो जैसे कि आज वी आर गोइंग टू डू इट फॉर मनी. तो एनी नेगेटिव फीलिंग जो आपके हैं फॉर मनी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल उन्हें हील कीजिए थ्रू व्हाट? थ्रू होपोनोपोनो. एंड देयर आर मल्टीपल डिफरेंट टेक्निक्स, राइट? And the second part is about creation. So today we are going to focusing on creating happy feelings, creating how beautiful you feel after making money. So आज का जो प्रैक्टिस सेशन है, इट्स ऑल अबाउट क्रिएशन. और ये टेक्निक को बोलते हैं फोकस व्हील. ये टेक्निक मैंने सीखा है एक बुक से, जिसमें अब्राहम एक सिखाती है. उसे उस बुक का नाम है आस्क एंड इट्स गिवन. फोकस व्हील में हम क्या करते हैं, लेट मी शो यू. सबको एक पेपर एंड पेन लेकर आइए, एक व्हाइट पेपर, एंड देन ड्रॉ अ सर्कल इन द मिडल लाइक दिस. आई विल शो यू. देन मेक फ्यू लाइंस around it like this. Make a sun. Everyone, make a sun. और इस middle में we are gonna write what exactly we want in our life, right? So जो आपको चाहिए आपकी लाइफ में, अगर मनी से रिलेटेड है तो राइट डाउन कि कितने पैसे ऐसे आप अट्रैक्ट करना चाहते हैं अपनी लाइफ में दैट वुड मेक यू फील abundant and rich. Okay, so I'm gonna write my numbers, you write yours. Okay, so I have written the amount of money that would make me feel. अब ये सारे खंड में आपको क्या भरना है, इन सारे बाकी सारे ये में आपको भरना है हाउ वुड दैट मेक यू फील. कैसा आपको लगेगा when you will have it. Now imagine everyone that you have that money in your bank account, right? So what you will feel about it. For example, मेरे लिए I love receiving money from all different sources of income that I have. Second, what you will do with that money, like I love to spend that money on my family members. What you love about receiving that money? I love spending money on myself. I love spending money on my family members. और क्या हो सकता है? Think about it. Think about what you will love about that money. I love the way money comes to me so easily and effortlessly. How easily money comes to me. Okay. So what else you wanna do? You feel, how do you feel about receiving it? I feel so secured and I feel so rich about receiving so large sums of money in my. So write it down. I feel secure and happy about receiving large sums of money. So first 3 to 4 खंड में we are writing कि how we feel about receiving that money, right? And next जो सारे lines है, I will show you like this. Next सारे lines में we are going to write why do you feel that it's easy for you to, why you're worthy about that money, why are you so much worthy about receiving that money, why are you worthy, right reasons. क्योंकि बाकी सब लोग को कन्विंस आप कर सकते हैं, लेकिन जब तक आपका खुद का दिमाग कन्विंस नहीं होगा इस बात से दैट यू आर वर्दी ऑफ दैट मच अमाउंट ऑफ मनी, दैट you are worthy of it, until then you will not be able to manifest it. So write it down why you feel so worthy. The first thing is because I see abundance in each, everywhere. I see abundance in everywhere, and so I am worthy of money. मेरे लिए ये reason है क्योंकि I can see abundance everywhere. Nature is so abundant. So write it down for yourself. You write your reasons why you are worthy of this money that you have written. Okay. Second is because I am a loving child of universe, and whatever I ask, I receive. Write it down. It's an example. Because I'm grateful about any amount of money that I receive in my life. This is the third thing that I'm writing because I'm grateful about 5 rupee coin. If I receive it, I'm grateful about that. I'm grateful about spending money, and that is why this large sums of money will come into my life happily and easily. Why? Because I am happy in receiving it. I am happy while spending it. Okay, you all know that while spending what we generally say, right? If you don't know, people who know this, please comment करके बताइए. People who don't know, this is the line that we say while spending. Go with love, grow with love. Go with love, grow with love. Whenever you try to spend money and you think that कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा spend कर रहे, don't think like that. Think like this money is coming back to me 10 times, multiplying by 10 times. So go with love, grow with love. So write it down because I'm happily and easily spending money. That is why this large sums of money comes to me. What else? और क्या हो सकता है? Because I'm ready to receive money and I'm ready to give value as compared to the money. I'm ready to create value to receive the money. Write it down. Because I'm ready. Why am I worthy? Because I'm ready to receive it right now. Because I'm grateful about it. Because I can create value in other people's life to receive it. So this way it is completed. See, I've written all the feelings. After writing everything, tell me, if you wrote it down in the paper, how are you feeling? Do you feel that you're worthy of the money that you have written? If there is a little bit also a shift of emotion about you receiving that money, then please comment करके बताइए box में that how you felt really better. You felt the energy shift in you. And this is how we create it. If at this moment of time you feel that you're absolutely worthy of receiving that amount of money, if you feel that you have received it, and because you have received it, you love spending it, you love spending on yourself, love receiving it, you love the feeling of being secured about receiving it. If you feel this, these are the feelings created the thought. This is how we bring the money in our life. This is the actually a practical version of day 219 from the book The Secret. Please go look at the video of it. And thank you so much for watching till the end. If you practice, if you felt the shift, then type in the comment box that yes, I felt the difference. Yes, I felt the difference. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye.